Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to change directory into a particular directory or folders on Windows. We're going to loop through that folder looking for .txt files. If we find any, we're going to delete them. Okay, so first of all we're going to create a variable up here called myScalarPath. And I'm going to give the path to the folder or directory, which is on my desktop. And the directory or folder here on my Windows desktop is called X. Now, this is the path to my desktop and to this file called X, this folder called X here. It's not the path to your desktop, so you're going to have to find your own unique desktop path, or else if you just simply type this code in, you will get an error. We go down onto CHDIR, which is change directory, which is going to be this path here. So we're going to change directory. I'm going to just increase the font size a smidges. Okay, we are going to create a subroutine now called sub delete files. Okay, delete files there. So what we're going to do is we're going to create another scalar variable called my file ext file extension, and we're going to assign that to .txt. So those are the file extensions we're looking for. And now we're going to loop through that folder. So we do this using for and dir here in the path. And we're going to use an iterator called file. Okay, and then we're going to come on to the if conditional statement and evaluate it. So if the file here matches / the file extension, so if it comes across this file extension and we have the $, which is talking about the end of the file here, so if it comes across this file extension here and the end of the file is .txt, we're going to do something. We're going to tell the user what we're going to do using say removing text files. Okay, so we're telling the user that we're removing those .txt files, and to do that we use this command unlink here and then the scalar file that we found. Whoops, that's wrong. Let's put that there. Okay, and then we're going to say, I'm going to interpolate this scalar file deleted. Right, all we have to do now is call the program delete files. Just save that there. Let's run the program. So it's going to be Raku, the name of the program, test.raku. Hit. Oh, before we do that, I'm just going to show you the inside of the folder. I'm going to show you the folder here. So the folder is on the desktop. That's the folder X, and those are the files inside it. So just go back to that. Let's run it. Okay, we got an error. Okay guys, spotted 2 faults here. So we've got this and desktop here. So let's just save that. Let's just clear it. So that's Raku test.raku. Okay, so there we go, removing text files. So it's removed an a.txt and it's also told me it's removed a b.txt. So let's go and check that out, shall we? So we're going to X and the files have gone. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's below. Give it a big thumbs up and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.